Hello everyone, welcome back to the AAS YouTube channel, and we are going to be putting on a peer review workshop at AAS 248 in Pasadena. So in this video I wanted to cover why we do these, what they are, and how you can apply to attend one. Okay. So have you ever submitted a manuscript to the AAS journals? If you have, then you are eligible to serve as a referee in the peer review process. And your contribution to that, acting as a referee, is critical to ensuring the integrity of the scientific articles that we publish. And yet, most astronomers never receive any formal training in how to provide a constructive, effective review. So that's where the AAS publishing comes in. So at AAS 248 in Pasadena, we are offering a peer review workshop designed to give you the confidence and the skills you need to review manuscripts with clarity and with impact. And so what are they? They are a hands-on, with labs, peer review training led by the AAS journal editors. The one in Pasadena will happen on June 14th, which is a Sunday. They are about 4 hours long, which includes a free lunch as you go through the training on how to be a good referee. Where? It's going to be at the Pasadena Convention Center. And anyone can apply to this, anyone from graduate students through senior researchers, and it is free of charge. And I will just add that even senior researchers learn something new about the peer review process when they attend one of these. So I encourage the entire spectrum to apply. And I do give warning up front, these are not passive, slide-oriented workshops. You will be reviewing real examples of referee reports, and you will be practicing by writing a short referee report on a submission. Okay. So upon completion of the workshop, you get a hand-signed graduation certificate, and you get marked as being trained in our peer review process. So when editors go looking for referees, they can see that you have at least been through at least one peer review training, and you get to enjoy a free lunch with your colleagues as well. Okay. So we've done several of these. These sort of started up in about 2023, and here's just some examples of some past ones. So starting from the upper left there, that was in the most recent one, which is AAS 247 in Phoenix, January 2026. In October 2025, we did one at an institution, our first one away from a science meeting. That was done at Indiana University, Bloomington. And if you are interested in having a peer review workshop at your institution, feel free to reach out. We're happy to do one. The previous summer was in Anchorage, June 2025, and then I just put one at 243 New Orleans in 2024. So they are well attended. All of the participants are happily showing their hand-signed graduation certificate, and they are really good. Okay. So peer reviewing is not only a service to the community, it's a way to strengthen your own scholarship, your own manuscripts. So whether you're brand new to reviewing or looking to sharpen your skills on your own manuscripts, this workshop will prepare you for the next time an editor reaches out. Okay, so I encourage you to apply for the workshop, and there's a URL. It's a nice small one, tiny URL /PRW peer review workshop -form, and I look forward to seeing you in Pasadena.